For our next digraph, we have this one, and this is quite popular. So we have this, and it's pronounced as ch, 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 ch. Again, round, pouted lips up, and just when, you are touching base with a ch, ch, you drop it, right? So we have ch, ch, ch. For this one, again, the closest representation that I can give you from the English side will be this one. But again, if I asked you to pronounce this, you'll probably say chua, right? Chua, chua. And while that is a bit close in sound to what we are looking for, they are not the same. Because for this one, you are starting with a ch and ending in a w. And the fact that you are starting from here, as in ch, and ending in a w, is very obvious when you say it. So you say chua. Chua. What we are looking for is the single sound ch, ch, ch. This is a single sound, and that makes it a digraph, because we said the digraphs, two consonant letters are coming together to form a single sound. Again, when we are done with all the digraphs, we are going to go back, and then we are going to compare the close sounding pairs. I know that for learners, they find that this is similar. Some learners find that this is similar in sound to the ch, right? The regular ch. But if you look at me right now, you can tell that when I say the ch, my lips, the position of my lips, it's, spread and it's relaxed, right? So I say ch, ch, ch. But this one, I'm saying ch, 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 right? Ch. Let's see some few words that contain this digraph. For the first one, we have chi, 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 okay? Chi. And listen to this. The E sound at the end, I keep it short, right? So I'm saying chi, chi, and that is very important. The fact that, the E sound is short will determine what I mean by this chi. Don't, prolong the E sound. Don't do that. At least not when you mean what I mean with this. So we have chi, chi, and that is to grind or to drive. So I can say, me papa chika, okay? Me papa chika, my father drives a car, right? So we have me papa chika. Or I can say chimekono, chimekono. Now, this is with you keeping the E short. If you stretch it, now this becomes the difference between this and the dialect that you are learning here. So we have chi, chi, and that is, the dialect, Asante Twi, right? So that has the E sound stretched. So we have chi, chi, as against chi, chi, okay? So this is in sound. This is how you'll be able to tell the difference in sound when someone says it. But in writing, of course, chi is a proper noun, so it will start with a capital T, right? A T that is capital. Next, we have cha, cha, cha. So you have cha, 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 okay? Cha. And then we have chain, chain. So if you watch my lips, round, pouted, up, and then you drop it. Chain, chain, chain. For the next one, we have chain, chain, chain. And you can tell that I'm pronouncing this with some sort of nasal effect, right? So I say chain, 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 and that is to pull. And then we have achedie, 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 achedie. And then we have nenchie, 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 okay? mekyea. So you can tell some little difference in sound depending on the vowel. Again, the vowel sound that comes after the digraph, right? So we have mekyea, mekyea, mekyea. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.